Hey everyone, it's Justin here at MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. Glad you could join us. Today we're in the showroom talking about the all-new Scout 188 Sportfish. This boat is great to be out on the Sound or up and down the Connecticut River. It's got plenty of features. I'm going to talk to you about some of them as we walk through the boat today. First of all, it's equipped with the Mercury 115. 115 horsepower is plenty to get this boat up on plane and moving up and down the Connecticut River or the Sound with you and your family and friends aboard. As I'm sitting here, you could imagine another person sitting next to me, and if you'd sit right there and another person here, we could be anchored right off a sandbar, enjoying a drink in the beautiful weather that's going to be here in Connecticut coming very soon, and we could be having a great conversation. And if I want to get ready to get underway, I'd pull the anchor. Simple thing. Another great feature here is you can stand up nice and easy. It is a center console. You watch this bench lift up, slide back, and here we are at the helm. So now that we're at the helm, let's talk about the helm a little bit. So obviously you can see you have your C-Star adjustments here. You have your Garmin touchscreen. If you're panning over towards the starboard side, you can see your Fusion stereo, and I love the new design here. It's push button. It's waterproof with a rubber pad and LED lighting to know what is activated and what is not. You have this beautiful glove box, which is waterproof, and here's a real nice feature. You can stick your phones in there, but you have USB and USB-C charger inside the glove box for charging your cell phones or anything else you may need. Quick, easy battery on off right at the helmsman. Now if we move forward, we're going to discuss the bow, and we're going to talk about some of the features out in the bow. As you can see here on this Sport 188, this is a great seat. I mean, I'm 6 foot tall. I can lounge on this while we're underway comfortably and still have another person or two there while we're having a conversation, while we're cruising up and down the Connecticut River. The nice part about this lounger is the storage space underneath. Take a peek at this. They designed this storage space to be self-bailing, so you can put ice in that. You can have your drinks, beverages, food, whatever you need in here, and as it melts, you can pull the plug and it will self-bail directly out. Coming down, it's a nice easy latch to lock, and if you turn towards the bow here, you'll see the anchor locker is conveniently stowed. The anchor is not out or will catch. You can actually stand on this and jump in the water. So if we are anchored off a sandbar or out in the water and you want to use it as a dive platform, it's a great spot to jump in, cool off on a hot day. Welcome to the Scout 188 Sportfish, all new design. Wonderful boat for everybody here out on the Sound or in the Connecticut River or whichever river you're using or utilizing here in New England. Come on by 627 Boston Post Road. Come see us or give us a call, 860-399-5581. I'd love to talk to you more about this boat or any other boat that we have here in our inventory. Until we talk, take care.